Hello and welcome to ArcSite's tips and tricks of the day. Today I'm going to show you how to turn your shapes in ArcSite into a product with a price associated to it. So first I'm going to log into my user site, and this is by going arcsite.com and then logging in. And then from here we're going to head over to advanced settings and click on products. So create your product, and then here your options are really pretty endless. You can use a line or an arc as a representation, or area, or a shape, or volume. I'm going to do a shape. Now, just a disclaimer, with the shapes that come with ArcSite, you have to make them your own shapes. So there's a category that's My Shapes, and then once you create them as My Shapes, you'll be able to see them in here. So let's say I want to do a ant trap. So we'll choose the ant trap. We'll put in the name is ant trap. So the description is like a home but for ants, and it kills them. Perfect. And then we can choose our pricing options. So let's say you might have a couple different ant traps that you offer with different prices. So maybe there's a 5-inch ant trap, and for the big queen ants, you got a 10-inch ant trap. So this is $5 and this is $10. And I'm going to make sure that all of my sales reps are required to choose one in the app before they create their takeoff and estimate. Simple as that. So from here, I'm going to create my shape. And then for organizational reasons, I'm going to make sure it is in my pest control category. Just like that. And there we are. Once I open up my ArcSite app and go down to pest control, I will see my ant traps and I can put it in my estimates. Thank you for watching.